In this video, we are going to look at three databases from galecengage. We're going to look at opposing viewpoints in context, as well as expanded academic ASAP and student resources in context, both of which can be found through Odin. Remember that since all three of these databases come from galecengage, they function in the same manner. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how these databases are organized, how to find the MLA citation for an article, and how to find the permalink, which is a direct link to the article, as well as how to use the topic finder to brainstorm topic ideas and make connections between topics. The database Student Resources in Context is a nice database for general research for the high school student. You can see as it opens up here, we have our basic search bar up at the top, as well as kind of a splash page that gives you some of the more hot topics. And as we scroll down, we can see how these topics are divided up into categories. Once you select a topic to browse through, you'll see a variety of different resources available. The first portion that comes up is more like an encyclopedia entry that gives background information about your topic. As you scroll down, you'll see featured content as well as reference materials, biographies, images, creative works, primary sources, videos, news, audio, case overview, academic journals, etc. You will also find statistics and maps on this database as well. Those can come in very handy, especially if you are trying to write a persuasive paper. Once you find a resource that you know you'd like to use in your research paper, you will want to make sure that you copy down the MLA citation for your works cited page. Now, I am in a document view, so I have a document here by the Supreme Court Drama, Cases That Changed America. I want to grab the citation, which you'll find under Tools on the right-hand side. I'm simply going to click on that, and the MLA 8th edition is the default citation for this database. I simply copy and paste the citation into a works cited page. You will have to do some formatting so that you can get this hanging indent as required by MLA. It's also important that you receive a copy of the permalink, which will be a direct link back to this article. In these Gale databases, you can find that permalink under Bookmark. There you can copy and paste the permalink into a working works cited page. Once you turn in your research paper to your teacher, you will remove the permalink from your works cited page. This is simply to help you locate this article again if you need to print in a different location or if you need to go back to find it in an electronic copy. Again, the permalink can be found under the bookmark icon next to the search bar. Another database we're going to look at is the Expanded Academic ASAP. This again is found in Odin. The feature I'd like you to see on this particular database is this topic finder. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm just going to do a quick search on biomes to see what types of topics they have available, as well as any related topic sources. Here you can see the visualization wheel that shows me all of the topics related to biomes in this particular database. They go from larger topics in the center of the wheel to more specific topics on the outer edge of the wheel. This is a really good place to look for correlations between topics to try and narrow your topic down as if you're working through a larger project. And the last database I want to show you that is available through galecengage is Opposing Viewpoints in Context. You'll find this on our main database page, second from your database passwords. This is a nice database to use if you're trying to do a persuasive argument, either a paper or a speech, because this has many issues and controversial issues, and it gives both sides of each situation. You can browse issues, looking through to see all of the different topics available here, many of which have been updated in the last year or so. I'm just going to click on a topic, and again, you'll see the overview of the topic as well as the different resources available. So again, 3 of the databases from galecengage that you might want to look into using are Opposing Viewpoints in Context, Student Resources in Context, as well as Expanded Academic ASAP. The last two can be found in the Odin databases offered through the North Dakota State Library.